Hello, I'm Clemency Wright. Here's a quick overview of my new online course, Developing a Tactical Keywording Framework, which starts on the 23rd of May. I'm often asked, how can we make the keywording process more efficient? How can we speed things up and streamline the process? And I think it's because keywording is known to be quite labour intensive and time consuming, especially if you have large numbers of assets or even smaller collections. So in this course, we're going to look at some of the key tools and technologies available to help you make that process more streamlined, but with always a focus on achieving relevant, accurate, consistent search results. So how can we use technology without compromising on quality? I hope that you'll join me for this 4-part series, which starts on the 23rd of May. Look forward to seeing you.